Of course, the future of retail will be impacted heavily by technology. As we all know, digital is coming heavily into everything. In particular, I think there'll be some technologies that will impact more than others, like artificial intelligence applied to virtual assistants that will become our shopping assistants and brand ambassadors, but also other concepts like alternative use of physical space to give customers alternative experiences, rather than just displaying products, but going to places where you can have an experience around products, around brands. But then it's rather than us having to follow where products are, it's products coming to us and following us. And in this respect, there is this great evolution of the Internet of Things, where we are infusing processing power into objects. First we started with connectivity. Today we have smart objects which are able to interact and relate to space by themselves and have actions that are physical actions, not anymore virtual actions. So these are some of the elements that, in my opinion, are going to impact retail in the future. One thing I like to mention that is very important about this evolution of the internet and the Internet of Things is that the internet is really coming together with physical space today. And so we need to think of new strategies that will involve managing differently space, but also using technology to give people new types of experiences and really create this new ecosystem where digital and physical merge together, where our perceptions can be influenced by technology, where the reality around us can be seen differently through the eyes of technology or through devices, and really we are creating a third dimension, allow me to say, which is a kind of mixed reality in between the virtual and the physical. There are some companies that are implementing very advanced business models that are very aimed to the future. For instance, I could mention certain companies working in fashion. For example, Beta Brand in San Francisco. It's a company that's been out there about 3 years, and they have disrupted the way they produce clothing and they sell fashion accessories because they implemented a business model that really comes from the network and which enables people to choose what they want to be produced and what they want to wear. So they can opt in buying things before they are produced. So this creates a new level of efficiency where the brand can only produce what is really being bought. And often being bought means paying ahead for a product that is going to be produced in the next months, and then you receive it. So that's, I can imagine brands adopting, like this one, alternative business models that are coming out of the Internet of Things and Internet of Actions in the future.